My partner and I have been living in one of the most beautiful places on earth, Pai, Thailand. We met here in 2018, a place so energetically charged, there's really no coincidence how deeply in love we fell with each other and with this land. A 3-hour drive from Chiang Mai, along one winding road through the mountains, opens to the magical valley that is Pai. This piece of the earth is bursting with life. Yet time seems to take its own route here. Thai people and their culture will touch you in ways unimaginable. But the people of Pai, both those with blood native to this land and those, like us, who have been called to this corner of the world, hold something undeniably special. It's rainy season here, a time for restoration and inward expansion. And we were blessed enough to do this from our beautiful home in the jungle. A 20-minute motorbike ride from the main town, situated in the hill tribe village of the Lahu people, we found what we've been calling home. A traditional Thai teakwood house with plenty of space for us to stretch our limbs and rest our hearts. A space to reconnect to ourselves, to each other, to nature. All in divine balance. A space for simultaneously broadening and grounding. With sacred shards of the earth tucked into every corner. Abundance is a fruitful garden bursting with color. Our afternoons spent picking rambutan. Papayas from the balcony. And handfuls of passion fruit a day. With plenty to share with others in the village who come to pick as they please. A space for nourishment and nurturing. A space for tranquility and softness. A space for self-care and self-sustenance. Just a short walk from our house, the most magnificent waterfall can be found. The water runs down the mountain to supply the village. Many days we spend here climbing and playing. And many days we come to seek refuge and cleansing. Living here has given us the chance to look Mother Nature in the eye. To hear every whisper. To befriend her creatures. And see new life. In all of its forms. In all of its layers. To plant seeds of creation. To cultivate wellness. And to just exist. Peacefully. For this home for this life. We are eternally grateful.